Good Sunday evening, everybody. I'm Team Meteorologist Jordan Reed here with a look at your 9 p.m. web weather update. And let's first start by taking a look at what we've got going on this week over the next 5 days. We'll see lake effect snow tomorrow morning, but as we head through the afternoon, it'll lift its way up toward the north. So a pretty high impact there. Tuesday, a little bit less so. We'll see some morning snow showers and then possibly the afternoon sun coming out. And then Wednesday and Thursday, finally looking above average for highs for this time of year. That means we'll see more rain as opposed to snow, though it could start off as a couple of snow showers. Thursday not looking too bad. Friday, however, we start the day with rain and temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40. That occurs at midnight, dropping through the 20s and 30s throughout the day. So we'll start with rain and end with snow. I'll have the 7-day forecast coming up for you in just a second. But right now in downtown Syracuse, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies. Temperature 17 degrees, but it feels like 4 above zero with winds out of the west-northwest at 13 miles an hour. And that west-northwesterly wind is not only making it feel colder, but it's also dragging in that lake effect snow. I'll show you the radar image coming up in just a second. But around the region right now, you've got your warmer temperatures off toward the west. It's Ontario at 20 degrees, but it's as cold as 9 degrees in Redfield, 5 above in Woodgate, and then 9 degrees over in Herkimer right now. In between, the rest of us are into the teens, but it feels like the single numbers around zero with that wind, as I just showed you. The heaviest of the lake effect snow, thankfully, has moved away from Oswego County, and now it's down toward Cortland and Tompkins counties, and even sections of Shenango County, light to moderate at the moment. We did have a report of 22 inches of snow up in Fulton earlier this afternoon when it was coming down at the rate of 3, 4, 5 inches an hour, even into early this morning. We do have an area of low pressure off the New England coast, and that provided the first 2 to 4 inches of snowfall for the season there. Not having any major impacts on our region, but we are seeing a surface trough over the region, and that is resulting in the clouds and the lake effect snow. So as far as we go through the overnight on our timecast, we'll see numbers dropping into the single digits up toward the north and east, where you do have a bit less cloud cover. Off toward the southwest, though, we will see teens and 20s with the clouds as well as the lake effect snow developing tomorrow morning, and some of it could be rather moderate to heavy for your morning commute around the Syracuse area, so not the best timing. It lifts its way toward the north, toward Oswego County, and then eventually into Jefferson and Lewis as we go throughout the day. And you can see here by some of the yellows and oranges on the map, it could be moderate to heavy yet again. So we could be seeing it come down at some of those heavier rates. As far as snowfall accumulation between tonight and tomorrow morning, from the Syracuse area on west toward Interstate 81, 2 to 4 inches between tonight and tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., a little bit less down toward the south and east in the Mohawk Valley. But for that reason, southern Cayuga, southern Onondaga counties under a winter weather advisory until 4 or 7 a.m. respectively. And then you do have a lake effect snow warning for Jefferson, Lewis, Oswego counties through from 7 a.m. tomorrow morning until 1 p.m. on Tuesday afternoon for as much as 6 to 12 plus inches of snow on top of the 1 to 2 feet that you've had in some locations already, as I just mentioned. So unfortunately, another busy start to the work week, but we do get better as we do get past Tuesday. We will see a mix of both rain and snow showers on Wednesday, but it is noticeably milder. Same thing as we go through Thursday. Mild with a few showers, low to mid 40s both days. And then it starts as rain, but goes over to snow as we go from highs in the 30s back into the 20s. And it looks like another active weekend as well with highs in the mid 30s and some rain and snow showers both Saturday afternoon and Sunday. Have a great evening, everybody.